very great morning to one and all presented here.
Very great morning, Manshu.
Myself Manshu Sharma from Proud 9C grade, and today I am here for praising the noble cause and show my gratitude towards the living God, that is doctor. We all know medicine can cure diseases, but the doctor is the only person who can cure the patient. A doctor profession is the service to the humanity, to help the peoples, and to love the humanity, to serve the people is to just like to serve the God. The doctor is the only the person who saves the life of the peoples. Life is like a plane without a pilot, without ambition. Aim or ambition. Aim. My aim is also to become a doctor in my life, because I think doctor life is the noble life. A doctor is the saver of the life of the peoples, and the doctor life is the most difficult life I have ever seen. I want to become doctor because of my liking in the medical specialist, because a doctor is the saver of the life. As we all know that our country is in the desperate of the medical profession, so our doctors, our real heroes, have taken this as a regard, as a responsibility to serve their motherland. They have done the treatment free for the needy peoples who can't afford them. They never squeeze anyone. They always provide awareness, attention towards the cleanliness and sanitization. There are different kind of doctors we can see based on their specialization. Every doctor is for the specific organ, as the doctor profession is the most difficult profession I have ever seen in my life. Now, what does respect matters to doctor? Yes, I am talking about respect. Respect never comes when it is asked for, rather it comes from heart. But when it comes to doctors, it can be little biased, because doctors should be respected and supported because they save our life. Because I have seen many doctors who are waking midnight, attending polls, going home to their checkups. I have seen many doctors getting tensed when any of their patient is serious. Now, as all the fingers are not same, all doctors are also not same. I know there are some doctors who has taken this profession as the cheap one, as just to earn money through this. But till date, there are many doctors who have taken this profession as their religion and just work for their welfare of the society or the country. I know it's their profession, they choose it as their duty, but what's about our duty? Our duty is also to support them, to respect them, because they save our life. They spend their whole life just to save our life. They spend their whole life in the hospital just to save our life. I know if a person is saved by a doctor, the doctor is considered to be God. He is treated as God. But whereas at the same end, if a person is died by a doctor, the doctor is considered to be devil and cursed like hell. Wow, is it so funny? And why is it so? I know we all are taught that death and birth is in the hand of the God. But why we blame the doctors for the death, as he tried his best to save the life of the people? So at last, I want and you should also feel to respect, to support the doctors as they save your life, as they save your life of your family, your friends, and save your life. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I want to salute all the doctors to